Hello, Stampin' friends. It's Terry Hartley here from Rustic Barn Cards. I'm going to talk to you about my December club, Rustic Ink Creations, and I cannot wait to show you the projects for the month of December of 2025. I'm so excited about them. They are all fun folds. So let me tell you a little bit about club, and then I will share the 6 projects with you. So club is Rustic Ink Creations is my subscription club, and I ship that out once a month. And you can sign up to be a member. There is a link in the description with all the details. So let me tell you a little bit about it. You'll get 6 projects each month, sometimes more, but you'll always get 6 projects, make and takes to make those, along with $23 to $25 a product. You have envelopes for the cards. You have a written tutorial for each project along with photos. And you also get a video summary, kind of gives you some tips and tricks to make each of the projects. And I always email you with the tracking number after I ship your club packet out to you, along email also the tutorials, and I'll let you know what the next month's bundle will be. So in order to get club, you sign up through the 15th of the month. So that means if you want to take December's club, sign up through December 15th, and then I ship club out the last week of the month. So that is a little bit how it works. The cost is $44, and that does include shipping. And if it ever, at any time in the future, and I hope I don't need to raise the price, but sometimes postage seems like it keeps going up. But if you're a club member now, you will continually get that for the $44 a month. So it will only raise if I have to raise the price, and I'm not saying that I will, but if I do at some point, then just new club members coming in would get that higher price, because I do appreciate all of you for being club members. And if you stay a club member 6 months consecutively, then you will receive a $25 swag bag. And I looking at my notes to make sure that I have covered everything. And I think so. So let's talk about December's club. I am using 2 bundles where usually I just use 1 bundle, but I'm using a suite from the November online exclusive. So the bundles that I'm using is the Petals of Beauty, and this has the images, and then the Words of Beauty, which of course are the sentiments. So if you don't have these bundles, you can add them on when you sign up to be a club member, and I will cover the tax and the shipping for you. So, of course, you could use whatever you have to make the cards, but if you want the cards just like mine, then you do need the bundles. And we're going to be using, for these projects, 4 inks. So we're using 4 inks. We're using Calypso Coral and Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, and Darling Duckling. So those are 4 colors that you need for December. I'm just going to just share a little bit of this paper. The paper is just beautiful, and it's called, I think, Brushed with Beauty, maybe. So anyway, it's just really, really pretty paper. So again, you get 6 projects, make and takes for 6 projects, plus $23 to $25 a product. And the $44 a month does include shipping. Are you ready to see the project? So December is all fun folds. So they're all fun folds. And here is the first card. Notice that I'm using some vellum. So you're going to have some vellum in your packet. And just because it's your birthday, and then it opens up like this. And you might be thinking, well, where am I going to put my message? Well, on the back, you have a place where you can write your message, and you will get 2 of those. So it's 6 projects, 2 each of 3 designs. So you'll have a make and take to make 2 of these. Our second card says just, and then it opens up, just because you've been on my mind. So that paper just gorgeous. So just because you've been on my mind. So that's the second. And of course, you'll make 2 of those. And then our third design is you're a great friend. Now on this one here, the circle is not part of the dies, so therefore you will get a circle of the vellum, and it will be embossed for you because I've embossed this. Okay, so you're a great friend, and it opens up like this. I appreciate you. So those are the 6 projects for December, and for Rustic Ink Creations Club. And I hope that you'll give it a try. In the description, you get all the details, and you can sign up. And thank you for watching. I'm Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.